Squaring off, the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, squared off. You may have heard it in movies, sports commentaries, or read it in a book. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture and carries a rich sense of action. So, if you're ready to learn about this expression and use it correctly in English conversations, keep watching. Squared off is a term that originates from the boxing ring. When two boxers are about to begin a match, they face each other in a direct confrontation, standing in a square stance. This moment of anticipation and readiness is where the phrase, squared off, comes from. But it's not just for boxing. Squared off can be used in many contexts to describe a confrontation or the moment when an argument or competition is about to start. For example, when two politicians debate on a policy, or when two teams are ready to start a game, they are squared off against each other. Now, let's see how to use squared off in sentences. The candidates squared off in a heated debate last night, each presenting their views on healthcare reform. The chess champions squared off, with the championship title at stake. The protesters squared off with the police in a tense standoff. In each of these examples, the phrase, squared off, is used to set the scene for a confrontation or competition. It's important to note that squared off can also be used more loosely to describe preparation or readiness for something challenging. It doesn't always have to be a fight or argument. For instance, the team squared off for the tough project ahead, knowing it would take all their effort to succeed. After weeks of planning, they finally squared off to begin their journey across the desert. These examples show that squared off can also imply gearing up for a tough task or challenge, not just a confrontation. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, squared off. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and shown how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, learning English is like any great match. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So, keep learning and squared off against any language challenges with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.